Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Job Search Guru for you. First of all, a big sorry for my absence recently because I was caught up with some personal and official work commitments. But thank you so much for your patience and for not unsubscribing from the channel. And this support clearly means a lot to me. So again, in today's video, we are going to look at some fresh and exciting job opportunities for data analyst role. So if you have recently completed a data analyst course or certification or any degree in data analytics and you are looking as a fresher or internship job opportunity, or you're an experienced professional in this field looking for a job switch, then this video could be a game changer for you. And all the job application links are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you are checking the description box. And if you're new to this channel, you are visiting this channel first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button because on this channel, I regularly post videos related to data analytics, business analytics, or data science domain roles. So if you do not want to miss out a single job opportunity, then subscribe this channel right now. You can also follow my Instagram and my Facebook page as well. Links are also in the description box where I post regular and quick job updates, interview tips, and career development tips as well. और जब आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें मेक श्योर यू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड क्लिक ऑन ऑल सो दैट यू कैन रिसीव ऑल जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस व्हेनेवर आई एम पब्लिशिंग अ न्यू वीडियो ऑन दिस यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म किसी भी क्वेश्चन या कोई सजेशन है आपका यू कैन रीच मी आउट टू माई मेल आई डी callcentertalk26@gmail.com और यू कैन ऑल्सो DM मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक एंड शेयर बटन फॉर दिस वीडियो सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल because if you subscribe this channel you'll get regular job updates on the latest job opportunities. You can also learn how to improve your skills and stand out in interviews. So do not miss out, hit the subscribe button right now and follow all the job updates. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the computer screen and review what are the job available for this week. Company on the list is Acuity, hiring for data analyst for Gurgaon location. Experience 0 to 3 years. Salary would be 3 to 8 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: data cleaning and onboarding the data sets, understanding the data sets and gathering insights from the data, develop validation checks to ensure the data quality. Also creating meaningful data products and reports from data sets, problem solving, ability to gather and analyze information from a variety of sources. If I talk about skills and qualification, MBA in finance, MCA, BE, BTech or related field, and desired skills, you should have hands-on experience with advanced Excel. If not, exposure to SQL or Python, basic understanding of statistics and exposure to data visualization, advanced Excel, SQL, data cleaning, and data quality. So if you do not have any prior experience or if you have experience, then also you can apply for this job post. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Johnson Controls, hiring for data analysts, experience 22 years, location Pune, salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: conduct data quality assessment to identify discrepancies and anomalies in data sets, develop and implement data quality metrics and reporting mechanism, collaborate with the data owners to define data quality standards and best practices, perform root cause analysis on data quality issues, assist in the development of data governance frameworks, also document data quality processes and maintain data dictionaries. Educational qualification: if you have done a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or equivalent experience, if you have, you can apply for the job post. Proficiency in SQL and data visualization tools, strong analytical skills and attention to detail, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, and ability to work in a fast-paced environment and manage multiple priorities. So if you have these required skills, you are also good to go with roles and responsibilities, job location. You can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Let's move to the next one. Company name is GENPACT, hiring for data analyst for Gurgaon and Noida location. Experienced freshers. Salary would be best in the industry. Key roles and responsibilities: responsible for data extraction, collation, and cleaning in MS Excel or Access. Will be responsible for making the pricing data in ERP up to date. For this, she'll have to identify the activities to be carried out and then execute those activities. Will be responsible for carrying out various statistical and pricing analysis in Excel Access. Will be responsible to bring process efficiencies through digitization and implementation, and expected to support the client to data system and analysis. Skills for the job post. First of all, currently pursuing completed bachelor's or master's degree in business, IT, data science, or related fields. These are some basic educational qualification for this job post. And desired skills: fresher from a good institute or university, or good relevant work experience in data analytics domain. Proficiency with analytical and presentation tools like Excel, VBA, or PowerPoint. Should be good with basic statistics. Should have can-do mindset, and knowledge of R, Python, Tableau, or Power BI is good to have. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is BCG, Boston Consulting Group, hiring for data analyst for its Gurgaon and Bangalore location. Experience 1 to 2 years. Salary would be best in the industry. Key roles and responsibilities: strong analytical and problem solving skills with a structured approach to complex change challenges, proactive with a keen focus on analytics, strategy, and consulting, client oriented with a strong work ethic and high standards for quality, collaborate team player, effective in cross functional and global teams. Educational qualification: a bachelor's or master's degree will make you eligible for this job post. Desired skills: bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, data science, proven experience as a data analyst with a focus on specified tools and technologies, 2 to 4 years of experience providing analytical solutions in a commercial setting, also strong knowledge of SQL, Python, and Tableau. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Frigate Engineering, hiring for data analyst intern for Chennai location, experienced freshers. Stipend would be 2.5 lakhs per annum estimated. Key roles and responsibilities: collect data from primary and secondary sources, maintain and update databases and data systems, clean, validate, and correct data to ensure accuracy and completeness, analyze large data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights, use statistical techniques to interpret data and generate reports, also provide actionable insights to support decision making process. Educational qualification and skills: if you have a bachelor's degree in BTech, BE, BS, or BA in a quantitative field such as engineering or statistics, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: automate data collection and reporting processes wherever possible, use tools such as SQL, Excel, Python, R, or Tableau, improve data quality and support decision making, and perform additional tasks as required. Next company on the list is Unimrkt Research, hiring for quality data analyst for Gurgaon location. Salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Experience should be 0 to 1 year. Key roles and responsibilities: interpret data, analyze results using statistical techniques such as SPSS, Advanced Excel, and provide ongoing reports. Develop and implement databases, data collection systems, data analytics, and other programming syntax that optimize statistical efficiency and quality. Acquiring data from primary or secondary data sources and maintain databases, data system. Locate and define new process improvement opportunities. Education qualification: a bachelor's degree in computer science, commerce, accounting, economics, or related field. Desired skills: good command over both written and spoken English, good analytical skills, knowledge of advanced Excel and SPSS. SQL is nice to have, but you should have strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and disseminate significant amount of information with attention to detail and accuracy. And if you're interested for this fresher job opportunity, you can click on this link to apply for this job post. Next company on the list is Upstox. So if you're looking for any internship opportunity in data analytics domain, you can apply for the job post. Location would be Mumbai. Salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: collaborate with product managers and other stakeholders to support product improvements through data analysis, assist in analyzing complex data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights that inform product decisions, help implement and validate data collections and tracking efforts in coordination with product and engineering teams, support the creation and monitoring of key product metrics to evaluate performance and impact, participate in review sessions and team meetings to communicate findings and learn from cross functional teams. Education qualification: if you're currently pursuing or if you have recently completed an undergraduate degree in relevant fields such as statistics, computer science, engineering, mathematics, data science, you can apply for this job post. You should have familiarity with SQL and Excel. Hands-on coursework or project experience would be a plus. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills and exposure to an interest in data visualization tools like Tableau, QuickSight, and analytics platform like Mixpanel, Google Analytics would be a bonus. And if you're interested for this internship opportunity with this company, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Artefact, hiring for data analysts. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity and if you have at least 1 year of experience in data analytics domain, you can review this job post. Salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: data analysis, employing Python and SQL to extract clean and analyze data to derive actionable insights, visualization techniques using Tableau, Power BI, and web applications to create intuitive and insightful visual representations of data for effective communication. Statistical understanding, applying statistical concepts and understanding data structures to interpret data patterns and trends accurately. Skills and qualification: if you are a bachelor's, if you have bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or related field, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: Proficiency in Python, SQL, and data manipulation for analysis purpose. Experience in data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and web applications for creative, interactive, and information dashboards. And solid understanding of statistical and data structures for accurate data interpretation, proven problem-solving skills, and a solution-oriented mindset. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. So if you're looking for a remote job opportunity, then surely you should apply for this job post. Next company on the list is Blazing Coders, hiring for remote data analyst, location remote, salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, experience 1 to 3 years. Key roles and responsibilities: collect, clean, and analyze large data sets from various sources, develop and maintain dashboards and reports for different departments, identify trends, patterns, and correlations in complex data sets, work closely with teams to understand business goals and provide data driven insights, create data visualization that simply complex information for stakeholders, ensure data quality, consistency, and integrity across systems. Education qualification: a bachelor's degree in data science, statistics, computer science, or related field. Desired skills: proven experience in data analysis or business intelligence roles, a strong proficiency in tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or R, and experience with data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker, excellent analytical and problem solving skills. So, again, if you're looking for any remote job opportunity as a data analyst, you have experience of 1 to 3 years, you can apply for this job post, and the link will be available in the description box of this video. So friends, these were a few job opportunities for the role of data analyst. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like and share button if this video is helpful, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.